Good evening, tutoring classmates. My name is Eduardo Lopez, student of Licenciatura en Inglés como Lengua Extranjera in the UNAD. The name of this course is Technology in Teaching English as a Foreign Language, and in this opportunity I'm going to be explaining to you guys WH question words. In the objectives, we have to understand, learn, and apply WH words, and to develop competencies in students for them to be able to ask about different topics. In the outcomes, students will be able to understand clearly WH question words, and they will feel capable of using WH question words in future conversations. As a definition, an interrogative word or question word is a function word used to ask about a question such as what, which, when, where, etc. We usually form WH question words like this. We will put a WH question word, an auxiliary verb, be, do, or have, plus a subject, plus a main verb, or a WH, a modal verb, a subject, and a main verb. Here we have all the WH words: who, whom, whose, what, when, where, why, which, how much, how many, how long, and how plus adjective. Here we can see them in a little bit more detail. Who is used to ask about a person's identity, asking questions like who is that person, who are you talking about, who was the author of that book. Whom, to ask about persons or objects, asking questions like whom did she talk to, whom will he blame for the accident, and whom does God favor. Whose, to ask about ownership, asking questions like whose dog is barking outside, whose car is this, and whose gloves are these. What is used to ask about information related to things, and what are you going to buy, what is your mom talking about, or what's the matter. When is used to ask about time, asking questions like when is your birthday, when are you going to meet her, or when do you visit your parents. Where is used to ask about places, asking questions like where are you from, where does she live, where is your father working now. Why is used to ask about a reason, asking questions like why does she move so much, why are they there, or why is that happening. Which is used in questions to ask about a choice, asking questions like which car do you like best, which is my book, or which cities are better. How much is used in questions to ask about countable and uncountable quantities, asking questions like how much is that house, how much are those flowers, or how much does it take to get there. How many is used to ask about countable quantities, asking questions like how many brothers or sisters do you have, how many books is she reading at the moment, or how many kids are there in your school. How is used in questions to ask about a way, a manner, or form, asking questions like how are they doing, how is his health, or how do they manage. How long is used in questions to ask about time or space, asking questions like how long does it take to get to Europe, or how long is this field. How plus adjective is used to ask about the quality of a person or a thing, asking questions like how deep is the ocean, how high is the sky, how difficult is the situation, how fast can a horse run, or how important is breathing for humans. So let's remember that adjectives indicate a condition, size, appearance, feeling, shape, sound, or time. Any of them. Here, I just wanted to show you guys this table for you guys to keep in mind. They use the WH question word that is on your left hand side, the purpose, which is the reason or why we used those WH question words, or what for, and a few examples of each one of them. Okay, thank you so much. You guys have a great night.